I've made over $500,000 on YouTube myself in the last 2 years and generated my clients over $10 million from the platform.
Month to date, 620,000. This is just on one of the businesses. Today we've done $14,500.
And today I'm gonna rank the most popular business YouTube video styles that you can make today in order to show you what videos will actually make you money and what are just a complete waste of time and energy. The first style of content that we have is Iman Gaji style. So these are videos that have a ton of animations, they are fully scripted, and basically everything is planned and executed to the T. The good thing about these kind of videos is, for one, if you do them well, they do get a lot of views, and like if you script the video out correctly, these videos will actually convert. But the problem is that they're really expensive and time consuming to make. The same thing that you could do in a day on a raw kind of style of video compared to an Iman Gaji style of video, that same exact video would take you 10, 20, even 100x longer. Like there are some clients that we work with who have huge personal brands who do this kind of style of content and absolutely crush with it. But the problem is that each one of these videos takes like a month, which you can definitely systemize and make faster. But overall, these videos do make money, but they're just hard to do. And so for that reason, I'm just gonna put this in the B tier. Then the next kind of video that we have is the POV Daniel Dalen style video. So honestly, these are just kind of high quality vlogs. So I'm gonna leave it as overall high quality vlogs. These are great for building your personal brand, but to be honest, they don't make much money. Like you're really not gonna make a lot of money doing these kind of videos unless you're like Daniel Dalen himself. Daniel Dalen will definitely monetize this down the line, but I imagine Daniel's right now not even making like a ton of money from his YouTube channel directly. Like he's making some amount through AdSense. I'm sure he's getting some clients from it for ecom flow, but like the thing is like there's just much better business videos to make. We'll get you a lot more leads and a lot more clients. So I know your ego probably feels compelled to make one of these because, oh yeah, you're young, you make 10K a month, 30K a month, even 100K a month. And you feel like you have a really cool lifestyle. But if you want to make money, this is not necessarily the video to make. If you want to build a really good brand and you're willing to drop like 10K a month on a videographer and just go all in on the vlog style, then sure, do it. That's totally fine. But just keep in mind, you're gonna be delaying that satisfaction and it's gonna be a long time until you make money from it. And you're gonna be in the red on the content for a long time. So for that reason, I'm putting this one down, honestly, I'm gonna put it onto E tier. It's a pretty bad style of content to make if you're going to try to make money. I would not make that if your goal is clients. The next kind of content that we have is iPad videos. These has kind of really been popularized by Robbie Bavala. Now we're seeing Iman do it a little bit more, but essentially planning out a video on an iPad, going through pretty raw and just going through a deep dive on an iPad. This I think is an extremely engaging way of making raw style of content. Like, because what you're doing is essentially instead of just sitting, looking at the camera and just being raw, you're actually showing something, right? There's visuals going along with it, which is kind of similar to the Iman style where you're just showing instead of telling, right? With a raw style of video, you're telling. And one of the most common things that we really look for on YouTube is showing. This is actually a really good one. I like this one a lot. I think if you're doing iPad kind of styles of content in 2025, like you're early to the game and it's a very good kind of style, especially if you have a lot of motion on the screen. It keeps people engaged and you can break down really complex like concepts into very easily understandable things by doing this. For that reason, I'm actually going to put this one probably up with the Iman style. Actually, no, I'm going to put it with the Iman style. Yeah, we're going to leave it at B, but this is a very good style of content to create. It's also cheap. Once you get the iPad, it's like very cheap. You don't need to edit it. Like probably costs you like $50 to $100 an edit. That is that. So the next style of content that we have is just pure raw videos. Pure raw videos. We've seen this popularized by William Brown. We've seen obviously Sam Sulek, but he's not in the business space. William Brown, Sander Stage. Now Iman Gaji's doing it. Everybody seems to be doing this raw style of content. The thing is like it's a good style of content because if you're making niche business videos, then there's no reason to necessarily do hyper edited content. Like having it feel more raw and authentic will perform a lot better with a lot of business audiences because business owners, B2B channels don't need all the flashy stuff to keep people engaged. Now, if you are doing a B2C offer, it is much better to do the Iman kind of style. I will say that like having some edited on a B2C offer makes a lot more sense, but you need to do it at a high level. I'd rather you do raw content at a medium level than do high production at a medium level. Even if you're spending more money, the raw content will do way better than a medium level talking head video, right? You need to do it right. You need to be paying $400 to $800 per edit on a high edited video. And if you're not doing that, if you're not spending that amount, then there's just like no point. Raw content is great. You can get your point across. It focuses on the education. It comes across as authentic, real, and people can feel like they're really connecting with you, which creates a lot of trust. So when they book into a sales call, it's basically game over. So for that, I'm gonna put it at A tier, and I'm actually gonna move this one up to A tier as well. Actually, I'm gonna move this down to C tier and then move this to B tier. So that is raw content. The next is actually high production raw content. So what does that mean? Well, high production raw content is essentially the same thing as a raw video. You're doing a deep dive on a topic, you're doing education, but it's also highly produced. So you're going in depth, you're going deep, but you have nice cameras. You have a whole studio, you have a proper whiteboard setup, you have 2 to 3 camera angles going. You don't have a lot of crazy edits, but your cameras look professional. You can see this with Simon Squibb. Alex Hormozi does this style of content. It is, in my opinion, even better than raw content, because raw content, yes, having a bad camera is authentic, but frankly, a good camera is better. So I'm gonna put this one at A tier. It's pretty much the same as raw content, but it's just a little bit better. This is an A tier video style. The next is in-depth masterclasses. This is a video from one of our clients, got like 200,000 views, made us over 100 grand. And the craziest part is that it's literally just a Zoom call. This is literally just a Zoom call that one of our clients, Joel, did. It's a video that made us multiple six figures. And this style of content is just straight a Zoom call. It's an intro with a Zoom call. And it's just an in-depth masterclass on a one topic that is just extremely in-depth. So Zoom call content, that's what I'm gonna call this style. Zoom call content, in-depth masterclasses, I think are one of the best ways that coaches can leverage their time and business owners can leverage their time, because what they can do is take calls from their programs where you've had a group coaching call or you've had a private one-on-one session, and you can essentially upload that as a YouTube video with an intro on it. They do really, really well. They get views and they convert because people are seeing the inside of your program. They're seeing the value that you actually have to give, and they solve specific problems that the people have. People will build trust. When they hop on a call, they'll be pretty much ready to be sold. These, I'd say, go in A tier. They're really good. They're better than raw content. They're better than the iPad content because it gives just more value. So that's an accurate ranking. Then the next thing that we have is documentaries. So this is, let's say you make business videos, but you're not necessarily showing your face, or you are, you're just making documentaries about business topics where you're just getting a bunch of traffic and then trying to funnel it into a call. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one because most people aren't going to be doing this. This is a good style of content if you're getting millions of views. Like, you can definitely build a big business on it, and you can definitely make a lot on AdSense from it. But honestly, I'm going to put it down into E tier because it's expensive, it's time consuming, but it doesn't really close a lot of deals. So stay away from documentary content. The next kind of content that we have is actually podcasts. There are 2 types of podcasts. There are podcasts that you do on someone else's channel, and there are podcasts that you do on your own. So if you're bringing on other people onto your channel, that is a horrible idea. I'm just going to be straight up and say it. And the reason why that is, while they may get reach, when someone watches that video, it's not building trust with you. It's not building up your authority. Even if it's by association, it's not building that much authority. Like, realistically, all that's doing is like selling for the other person. So you're really not going to make any closed deals on this, but the other person will. Like, the other person is going to get some closed deals because they're essentially just getting on your audience and then selling to your audience, which is fine if you're trying to help out a friend, but if you're trying to make money, then I would not do these. The alternative is going on other people's podcasts. This is a phenomenal way to make money because you're essentially going to a new audience who's never interacted with you before and spending an hour with them, essentially breaking down who you are, why you're good at what you do, and how you make people money. That will get a lot of people interested in you from a completely new audience and send a lot of people back to your Instagram, wherever it may be, where they can DM you and book into a sales call. I know for a fact this makes a lot of money because I did a podcast with one of our clients on my old YouTube channel and it made him like $50,000, $60,000. It was great for him, not that great for me, but he's a client, so happy to do it. He definitely made a lot of money from it. So if you can do that, if you can get on somebody else's podcast, then boom, I'm gonna add that one to A tier if you can do it on somebody else's podcast. But if you're having people on your own podcast, put it to E tier. It's not the best way to do it. Yeah, I'll actually drop this one down in E tier as well. Then what we have is case study podcasts. So this is a different story because now you're not bringing another entrepreneur onto your podcast. What you're doing is you're bringing a client onto your podcast. And this is a completely different story. So what happens here is you can break down a client's results. You can break down a case study of how they went from where they were to where they are, how they went from the situation that all your prospects find themselves stuck in to the place where they have the dream outcome of all of your prospects. And putting that person in front of your prospects and breaking down their transformation and how you help them achieve that transformation is an extremely powerful conversion asset. We used to post one of these videos per week on one of our clients, Joel's channel, who we made over $6 million on YouTube.
Not only has he been able to help me get this award, but he's completely changed our entire social media and marketing strategy. Not only that, we also were able to monetize big time.
What happened is these ended up being some of the highest converting videos every single week. We close multiple deals a week from these videos because they're case studies and people will see that. And a lot of times it'll push them over the edge to buying. So for that reason, I'm putting it up to A tier. Then we have challenge videos. So these are videos where you're essentially putting yourself in your prospect's shoes and doing a challenge from scratch. So let's say you have an offer where you're helping people go from $0 to $10,000 a month with dropshipping. So what you could do is essentially make a challenge video where it's $0 to $10,000 a month dropshipping challenge. And then you start off at 0 and document the entire process of you going from 0 to 10K a month. Now, the problem with these videos is they are very time consuming. These will take you weeks. Like I used to do these videos for every single video I posted. It's my second year on YouTube actually, and it's what blew up my channel because these videos get a ton of views and they close a ton of clients. But the problem was I was spending over 100 hours per video and I was posting like once a month, which is not ideal. So while it did blow me up and I made a lot of money from it, it was a lot. And if I was running the size of the business that I am now back then, it would have been tough to keep up with both. So these are good. I think doing them maybe once a quarter or potentially just once or twice a year just to add on to what you're currently doing, I think it's a great idea because these videos make a ton of money. They're definitely the best videos to make for your prospects because you're literally showing your prospects that you can do what you're trying to sell them. And you're literally showing them the entire process and they're like, holy shit, this guy actually knows what he's talking about. If he can do this for himself, then he can do it for me, right? They're seeing how simple it is and they're literally visualizing the entire transformation that they're going to go through. So it is extremely, extremely powerful. So with that said, I'm going to put this one up in S tier because it is just unparalleled. Like if you can pull it off, if you can find the time to do it, you're going to print so much cash from it. They get views and they get clients. It's the best of both worlds. So next video is a story video. And this is a video where you essentially just talk about how you went from where you were to where you are. The good thing about this video is that you can literally use it forever. You can put it as your channel trailer and it essentially tells people who you are and what you've done. This is a video that one of our clients, Eric, did. And this one video generated him over 6 figures.
Now I'm doing close to 100K per month, kind of peaking above that, slightly below it, anywhere from 100K. And
it's literally just how he went from 0 to 50K a month with SMMA or social media marketing agencies. This video converts like absolutely crazy if you make it the right way. We help our clients structure this video out to actually get sales because there is a certain way you have to structure it or else it just becomes kind of like a story time, which doesn't really convert. It's a pretty complicated framework. So if you want us to actually help you make this video and frankly, all of these videos and tell you exactly what videos to make to actually get clients and get views and build your personal brand, click the first link in the description, book a time, speak with our team and figure out if it's a good fit for you. So I'm actually going to put this video up at S tier because it just makes a ton of cash and it's a very easy video to make too. Like you can make this video in like a day or two. It's just free money basically. And that's also a great video to actually send people back to. For videos that are just for traffic or just getting views, you can send them back to that story video as a conversion asset. And that will actually start to convert a lot more people because they'll learn more about you. They'll see your transformation. They'll be like, wow, he did it for himself. I want to learn from this guy. But it depends on your offer, honestly. Now we come down to the holy grail of videos. A singular video has generated one of our clients, Joel Kaplan, over $1 million from.
19.5 million. This is just on one of the businesses.
Basically what this is a free course video. Now, what is a free course video? Well, it's essentially a 6, 7, 8, 12-hour video that is an entirely free course about what you do. So for example, Joel, he ran a coaching program helping people start marketing agencies and get to 10K a month. So for his course, it was basically just a free SMMA course. And we posted that video, got over 100,000 views. We also posted some launch trailers and actually directed it back to a funnel. That's one of the more advanced strategies we kind of keep for our clients and it's working really well. But what you can do is post this as a really long video and it works almost every time. It will go viral because it just is so long. YouTube really heavily favors watch time. So this video does well, like pretty much every time you post it. People are spending hours with you just getting value bomb, value bomb, value bomb, value bomb. And you're weaving in CTAs every hour or so to book a call, right? So it's like, value, 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 book a call. If they're not ready to book a call, they'll just keep watching the value, 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 and then book a call, boom. And eventually most people will book a call. And if they go out, take action on it, get results on their own without paying you, that's great. That's what you want. Because if they get results without paying you and they start to make a little bit of money, they'll come back and they will 100% pay you to take them to the next level or to speed up their process. This is the most powerful video. And I know what you're saying. Oh, what if I sell a course? So if you sell a course, that's fine. But if you sell coaching, and even if you rely on a course slightly, you can still do the strategy. So if you're a coach, what people are paying you for is the implementation. They are paying you to essentially help them get to their goal faster, more efficiently, or scale higher than just the information can do alone. They're not necessarily paying you for the information. It's not a huge selling point. And we learned this actually doing this for the first time with Joel Kaplan, one of our clients, where he used to sell a course. He used to charge like a bunch of money for the course. It was like a 5-figure course. And what we realized is like people aren't buying the program for that. They're not buying the program for the course. They're buying for the coaching. So we shifted everything completely to charge for coaching, and we gave away the course for free, outcompeted the entire market, and just absolutely blew up the channel. We took him from 5,000 subscribers to over 250,000 in a single year. And I can guarantee you, if we hadn't posted that free course video, he might be sitting at 30,000 subscribers, 40,000 subscribers, maybe 50,000 right now, but he would not be at 250,000. There is no way. That free course is one of the most powerful videos that you can make to grow your personal brand because it creates so much goodwill with your audience, and it's selling to the audience the right way to where you don't lose goodwill. In fact, you build goodwill by selling to them. So it is just an absolute no-brainer. I think it's the best video that you can possibly make on YouTube right now to make money. So for that reason, it's going into the tier above S, which is not even on the board, but it is so good, it deserves to be above all the others. And there's actually a funnel that we've been running recently that just absolutely prints high quality appointments from this free course funnel. And once you understand it, it will literally turn your YouTube channel into a client getting machine. So check out this video next where I'll show you how the funnel works, how to actually build the entire thing, and how you can use it to absolutely blow up your business on YouTube. Thanks and peace.